How to change Facebook name before 60 days. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google application on your device over here and then search for change Facebook name. Now scroll down and here you'll be able to see the option of Facebook Help Center, so tap on it. As you do that, it will lead you to a new page over here on Facebook. Now when you do that, you'll be able to see a new page over here. So just scroll down and then tap on the option of no when it comes to was this helpful. So tap on no and tap on the solution does not work. And then you'll get a description box where you just need to mention, hello team, I want to change my Facebook name, but it's not been 60 days yet, so please help me through it. So just submit this description and this report and you'll be able to communicate with the Facebook Help Center team and then they'll get back to you within 24 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.